Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because Microsoft officially launched 25H2, latest Windows 25H2. No more preview video, no need to sign in and no need to do anything. Just go on to the Microsoft website, you will directly get the 25H2 ISO, which is the most updated one. It is updated. It is launched by the Microsoft yesterday, 30th September, and it's a very good news. So let's start the installation. So once you open the Chrome, Windows 11, we are going to perform a fresh installation. So Windows without USB, without any hurdle, we will bypass all the hardware requirements. So we have just opened the Chrome browser, Windows 11 download. Then you have to just click on that. Once you click on that, then you can see that officially 25H2 has been launched successfully. Now you have to scroll down and download your ISO, select that and then confirm. Once you confirm, then you have to select your language. In my case, obviously English United States. Further, you can confirm your language by typing the cmd command, run as administrator, type dism/online/get-intl. so you can verify that English United States. So that's it. So English is language is very mandatory, so this step needs to be done very carefully. So let's confirm. Now we have to download the ISO. So you can see that I have already downloaded the ISO. So you can see that this file is approximately 7.2 GB. So it's the biggest update, massive update. So we have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. So I'm going to cancel it. I've already saved onto my desktop. Now the second step that we have to mount the ISO, because we are going to perform the installation, fresh installation without USB. So just we right click on that and then we mount it. Once it is mounted, you can see that the drive will be show. In my case, drive E. So let's me click onto the PC. This PC, you can see that this is my ISO. This is my ISO. So I have attached my ISO file as a mount. Now we have to shrink this C drive volume in order to make a temporary USB. So let me click onto the computer management. Then we have to click onto the computer management, disk management, and then we are C drive. We are going to shrink it. If you have any other partition which is almost free, so you can use that partition as well. So in my case, I have only C drive, so I'm going to do this shrink volume. So here you have to enter your size must be in MB, sorry. In 1 gigabyte we have 1024 Mbps. So we are going to give the space of 10 GB to 10240. In 1 MB we in 1 gigabyte we have 1024 MBs. So in 10 gigabytes obviously we have to add 10. So let's shrink it. So 10 GB partition is ready. Now we click onto the new volume, next. It will reflect it as drive F, next, finish. So it's done. Now what we are going to do, that we have to copy mounted files from drive E to F. So we have to double click on it. Now we have to copy, come back, app drive, paste it, and it would take around 5 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and once done I will resume it. So it's done, and you can see that we have already we have pasted all these files, and now we have to put a little tweak. So we have, in order to bypass all the hardware requirements, and it will also deep load your Windows 11, so your performance will be marvelous. So we have to click onto the GitHub. No need to worry about that. I will put this link into the description, so you can copy and paste into the browser and you will get the file. So once you have this page, you have to unattended win install, then we have to scroll down it, you will have a XML file, this one, you have to download that. So you can see that file has been downloaded. Now we have to browse it. Now we have to browse it, cut, and then we have to go into the drive and then paste it. So we have pasted the file. Now we have to do one more thing, that we have to download EasyBCD software. You can type onto the Google EasyBCD. Once you type onto the Google, you will get a first link, then you have to click on that. Once you click on that, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to click onto the register, then you have to put your email address. You can even also put the dummy email address, so it's not a big deal. So once you put the email address, then I have to type my name, and then I have to download it, and you can see that it will be downloaded instantly. So once it is downloaded, we have to double click on that. Yes, next, as usual, next, and it's done. So once it is done, we have to launch it. Okay, now we have to create a drive as a bootable USB, temporary bootable USB. So we have to add a new entry, then we have to go into the WinPE, then here we have to type a name like Windows 11, whatever name you can give them, no problem. Windows 11 25H2. Now we have to link the file. It is very important, so see this step very carefully. Now we have to go into the app drive, then sources, app drive, where we have placed our ISO, extracted ISO files, if you remember that, and where we have pasted the GitHub file. So in the app drive, you have to type boot, then you will have a boot vim. Double click on that and then hit the green button. It will be linked. You will get a message. So once you have a message, now your system is ready for the fresh installation. Just you have to restart and you will get a option of Windows 11. Let me show you. So now we have to restart our PC. So PC has been restarted. Now let's come on to the, since I am doing this practical over the virtual environment, so I have to show you my EXSMI screen, VMware EXSI. So in your case it will be a physical system, so you will directly get this screen over your monitor. So we have to double click on that. So it is still restarting, so wait for a while. Sometime it takes 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, otherwise video will get longer. Once the next screen will appear, I will resume this video. So screen is going to be appeared in front of us, and now it is appeared. So we have, if you remember that we have put the name of Windows 11 25H2. So we have to click on that and you will see that installation will be started without any USB. It's a magic. So if you don't have the USB, no need to worry about that. You can directly plug and play installation over the existing system. So it is being loaded. Let me check out my recording as well. Yes, it is being recorded. So United States, hits next. US keyboard, hit next. It will bypass all the hardware because we have pasted the file as well. So you can do that on your old system, and believe me, your old system will be performance like a new system. Please try on that. So we don't have a product key right now, so we are going for the Windows 11 Pro. Next, checking hardware, checking each and everything. All the things have been bypassed successfully. Please wait for the installation. Now it will show the drives, or maybe accept license option. Checking for the disk space. So you can see that our main partition is 79 GB. So you have to select your main partition. Don't touch any other partition. So you have to select 79 GB. You can also remove unnecessary partition if you want. So I'm not touching anything. I'm just going on to my main partition, and I'm going on to the format partition. It will be formatted. So you can see the total size is this, and the free sizes space is 78 GB or something like 9.9. Okay, now it is formatted, and now we have to click hit next, and you will see that installation, genuine Windows 11 latest installation has been started in front of you. So it will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on your processor and RAM speed. So I'm going to stop this video. Once done, I will be back. So Windows has been installed successfully. You can see that. So we have to hit yes onto the United States. And then yes, and then skip. We have to give it our name and password. We have to answer the questions. So that's all. We have given all the information. Now you can see that it is being initiated in front of you, and obviously it would take around 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video, and once it's done, then I will be back. Then I will show you the version, and we will finish this video. So Windows 11 is ready, and if you remember that we have pasted a file that bypass the all the hardware requirement and debloat the Windows 11 so that Windows 11 can be work over the normal PC and old PC smoothly. So we did that. If you remember that we copy and paste the file inside the drive before the installation. So we have pasted the git file over there. So now we have some extra options, so in order to speed up your Windows 11, and that is fantastic, absolutely magic. So it is asking me, you want to disable the Bitdefender. It is this software has by default the disable the Bitdefender, but if you want to enable it, you can enable it, or if you want to install any third-party software, so it's depending on you. So I'm going to keep disable for this moment, and user account control is disabled. So account control is mandatory because you should have a complete right. So this is important, so we are going to enable it. Yes, so it has been enabled successfully, and now initial setup has been done. Now we have to apply changes, so it will be restart, and once it is restarted I will be back. So Windows has been ready and installed, and now it is ready to use. Successfully installed, and you will get a better performance because we have debloated this Windows as well. So you will get a fastest performance in this Windows 11 even onto the old computer, if you compare even with the new computer as well. So this is the one of the finest and perfect installation technique, and you can do that without the USB. Let me show you the version. You can see that 25H2, and it is official, genuine and perfect release, and we took from the Microsoft original website, and it has been released yesterday. So it is the most updated and latest operating system of Windows 11. Go for that and install and make yourself secure and use the next level features of Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. If you have any question, leave the comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. Bye bye.